At night, when the curtains are drawn and the fire flickers, my books attain a collective dignity. Such beautiful lines that forces us to swim into the world of literature. Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the British novelist and essayist and literary critic E.M. Forster. So let's start the video. E.M. Forster, who was from England, was born in the year 1879 and died in the year 1970. He was nominated for Nobel Prize in Literature in 16 separate years. He also wrote an introduction for the novel The Untouchables, that is written by an Indian author, Mulk Raj Anand. Most of his works comes under the genre of realism, symbolism and modernism. And except this, many of his novels examine class difference and hypocrisy. Now let's talk about the major works by E.M. Forster. First we have Where Angels Fear to Tread, published in the year 1905. The lines of this novel has been taken from the lines appeared in Pope's essay on criticism, and the lines are for Fool's Rush and Where Angels Fear to Tread. The setting of this novel is in Italy. The novel describes events in the life of Lilia, a young English widow who falls in love with an Italian man, Gino, to the disapproval of her family. The theme is based on class difference and bourgeois or middle class obsessions with appearances. Next we have The Longest Journey, published in the year 1907. It comes under the genre of Bildungsroman and autobiographical. The story talks about the protagonist, Ricky Elliott. Ricky Elliott, an aspiring fiction writer who is handicapped and was orphaned at the age of 15. Next we have A Room with a View, published in the year 1908. The setting of this novel is in Italy and England. Here we have the protagonist, Lucy Honeychurch. A Room with a View is a story of love, a story of self-realization of a young woman, and a story of the Edwardian English society that is still governed by the strict Victorian values. Next we have The Howards End, published in the year 1910. It also known as the Condition of England novel, talks about social conventions and codes of conduct. It comes under the genre of domestic fiction. The story talks about the three families, the Wilcoxes, the half-Germans, legal siblings and the past. And next we have the important work by E.M. Forster, published in the year 1924, A Passage to India. This novel set against the backdrop of the British Raj and Indian independence movement in 1920s. Here we have the four important characters, Dr. Aziz, Mr. Fielding, Mrs. Moore and Miss Adela Quested. The setting is in India. This novel considered as 100 great works of 20th century by the Modern Library. And next we have the aspects of the novel. It is a series of lectures presented in 1927 in Trinity College, Cambridge. Next we have The Morris, published in the year 1971. It was published after the death of E.M. Forster. It is a homosexual fiction. And last we have the unfinished novel Arctic Summer. And last we have the remarks. The Manchester Guardian appreciated E.M. Forster's novel Howards End, Through the Words, a novel of high quality written with what appears to be a feminine brilliance of perception, witty, penetrating. And next, Lionel Twining, the writer and the critic. Lionel Twining remarked, the only novelist who can be read again and again. So that was all about E.M. Forster. If you have any query, then post your comments in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to it. Thank you.